Oh boy, I'm so excited for Christmas! My favorite time of the year! Yeah, you said it, Knuckles. I like Christmas. Yeah, me too. It's the most wonderful time of the year! Yeah, I totally agree with you guys. Besides, I am excited for Christmas too. Like, the holidays, the decorations, the gifts, the cookies, and everything. Yeah, I know. This is going to be the best time of my life. Like, every single year. Yeah, I agree with you, Knuckles. Besides, what could possibly can go wrong with this? Yeah. Okay, someone is at the door. I'll be right back. Alright, let's see who could that be. Boris, what are you doing here? Oh, I just got in and I have some bad news about the weather. So, may I please come in? Whoa, Boris, calm down, calm down. But sure, come on in. And what news you got? Thank you, Sonic, but some bad news about the weather. I gotta tell them about this. Okay, maybe I should listen to this story too. Guys, are you excited for Christmas? Am I excited? I am more excited than that, Knuckles. Yeah, I agree with you, Mikey. I mean, I can't wait for Christmas. Yeah, me too, guys. Besides, I hope this Christmas doesn't get ruined by... guys! 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 Whoa, Forrest, you okay? I am not okay! I am not okay! I have some bad news about the weather! Bad news about the weather? What bad news? Well, I don't know what Forrest is panicking, but we should turn on the news to find out. I don't know, Sonic. Maybe Forrest should tell us about this. No! Turn on the news! Turn on the news! It's very important! Please! Please! Turn on the news! Why? I'm just enjoying the best day of my life. Please! Just do it! I think Boris wants us to turn on the news. Why? When Boris is panicking? Why should I just do it already? Okay, jeez. Breaking news. This just in. We're gonna get a blizzard tonight at 7 or 8 o'clock p.m. I don't exactly know what time it is, but we're officially getting a blizzard. Well, the winter storm is, which is named Winter Storm Tornado. And we've been locating where it is, but it's right over here where we live at. But we have some warnings to you. But before the warnings, we have some guests to show up soon. Right here at the news. Here is James in this scene. Thank you, Michael. I have 3 guests over here, Cucumber Boy, Baldy, and Bird. And we're going to talk about some stuff about the blizzard and what is going on. So, first up here is Cucumber Boy. So, Cucumber Boy, are you scared of the blizzard? Well, I am not scared. I am terrified with blizzard, you know. But, I mean, blizzards are bad. I mean, nobody wants to go outside during the blizzard. I mean, it's just dangerous. And it should be illegal. Because it's bad. It's really bad. Okay. But what is going on there, Cucumber Boy? Well, what is going on? Well, I was having a party, but all of a sudden, some weather guy just show up and then ruins my party and talks about this blizzard. So I panicked for like 1 stinking hour, and I got out of here because of that stupid weather guy. Okay, that was weird. But I just asked what is going on, not what happened. Oh, well, as you can see, there's a lot of people panicking over the blizzard. I mean, and people are rushing to their houses and got inside because of a blizzard. Well, the upcoming blizzard. Well, I can't explain. It's all because of that stupid blizzard. I'm sorry, but you have to go on, because I don't know what to say. Period. Um, Thank you, Cucumber Boy. Next up we have here is Baldy. So, Baldy, what is going on about the blizzard? Well, before I answer your question, what is going on about this blizzard, I mean, well, blizzards are bad, and they are dangerous, and just like Cucumber Boy said, they were rushing to their homes, going to their houses, locking the doors, and others. But I don't know what to explain, but I can confirm that I'm gonna shut down my schoolhouse due to this blizzard. So, Baldy just confirmed that his schoolhouse is gonna shut down due to the blizzard. I mean, what else that the students are gonna educate in? I mean, I don't know. But, thanks, Baldy. Next up we have here is Bird. So, Bird, what is going on about this blizzard? Well, same like Baldy and Cucumber Boy said. Rushing to their homes, locking the doors, and yeah. And people were buying lots and lots of food, lots of water, lots of bottles of water, and lots of clothes, and a lot of stuff, though. And trying to get to the wharf just to survive. And guys, if you are watching the news, I hope you survive too. Well, thank you, Bird. This is James, signing off. Michael, back to you. Thank you, James. So, Baldy confirmed that he's gonna shut down his school, and people are buying lots and lots of stuff to survive. And if you do those things, I hope you survive too. But here are the warnings. Do not go outside when there's the blizzard, even when there's no blizzard. Stay inside. And the next warning is try to buy lots of food, clothes, shelter, and get some warmth for your families and friends. Well, there might be some friends who are doing them with their families. And try to get some fireworks if you can before the blizzard starts. And that's all the stuff I'm giving you. Well, there's some more warnings which I really can't explain, but that's all. So, yeah. More news about the blizzard is in development, and we'll give you updates about this blizzard. Bye. Oh my god! We are getting a blizzard! I mean, what? We're getting a blizzard tonight! What? Whoa! Chill down, Knuckles. Chill down. What? Why would I chill down? I mean, there's a snowstorm coming out tonight! I officially hate this night. See? That's the news I wanted to give to you. I mean, there's a blizzard that's coming out tonight, and that's why I'm panicking right now. So we're getting a blizzard, huh? I mean, what? We're getting a blizzard tonight? Oh, good lord, this is bad. This is bad. I mean, yeah, this is really bad. Well, we need to get some food, water, clothes, shelter, and everything that we need. Yeah, we need to do something about this. Well, before the blizzard starts. Yeah, but why is there a blizzard coming out tonight? I mean, it's raining though. Yeah, but hey! Huh? What's all this noise going around about? I was trying to have a beautiful dream, like everyone turning into me. What? You were having a dream about everyone turning into you? That sounds like a jealous type of dream. I mean, are you that jealous? No. Why would I? Because of that stupid dream of yours. Oh yeah, right. Besides, well, what's going on? Boris was panicking over something, and he has some news about the weather, and after that, we are getting a blizzard that's coming out. What? A blizzard? I mean... You got it wrong. It's raining. I mean, who would have invented a blizzard anyways? Mr. Blizzard Man? That's just some stupid joke I made. How could you make a joke with that, Boris? I mean, you can't believe me! I'm panicking right now! We are getting a blizzard! Wow! Is he panicking right now over a blizzard? Yep. I mean, well, I guess he's right. I mean, I think he's right, because he's panicking, and yeah. Well, since it's raining outside, I should go outside. No! Knuckles! Don't you dare go outside! What? Who said that there's not gonna be a blizzard? I mean, it's raining outside, and it's fine. So I can go outside when I want. I wouldn't do that if I were you. Well, oh, come on, guys. You have to believe me. There's not gonna be a blizzard that's coming out. I mean, it's just rain, though. So I'm gonna go outside. Knuckles, no! Don't worry, guys. I'll get him. I don't know what's going on about, but I'm out of here. Okay. We'll try to hurry up getting home before the blizzard starts. I will. Good. See? It's not that bad. It's just rain. That's all. Oh, really? Jack? Knuckles, get back inside, or else you'll freeze to death. Wait, why can't I go back inside anyway? I had a friend once, and he did the same thing. He went outside, and he was freezing to death. And then he died because of a blizzard. That's when I was a kid. During high school. Well, actually when I was a teenager. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, chick. I'll go inside. That's what I thought. Well, guys, I'm back. Why is Forrest panicking now? We got... I think you do this. I think you do the television. We got 90 minutes until the blizzard. 90 minutes? What? What? 90 minutes? I thought it was 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. No, it's 90 minutes. No, I'm completely confused. I am completely confused because of you. Yeah, I thought it was 7 or 8 p.m., but 90 freaking minutes? I mean, what the heck is going on with this blizzard? I exactly don't know what in the heck is going on. Same here, but now Knuckles really confused because of it. And now he's talking gibberish. Which is kind of funny, though. Really? You have to think that it's funny? Yes. Well, you're weird. 90 minutes? Ah. Is Knuckles okay? Nah. He's fine. He's really fine. I say we just let him take a nap. I'm not on your side, chick. I mean, you're kind of jealous of Knuckles. Ha! What are you talking about? I'm not jealous of Knuckles. Besides, he's an idiot, though. How do you know that he's an idiot? What is the Master Emerald, anyways? See what I mean? Oh, yeah, right. But 90 minutes? Yep. 90 minutes. Man, that's the latest update of this blizzard right now. 90 minutes of a blizzard. I don't know what to say anymore because of this blizzard. Well, what's the worst that's going to happen? So, How many minutes until a blizzard? Well, I don't know yet. I'm not a weather forecaster. Maybe I should look at the window. Okay. I'll wait. Alright. Let's see what's going on. Oh my god! Well, guys, it's starting to snow. The blizzard! The blizzard is real! Yes, the blizzard is real! The one blizzard is real! Why did you say something like that? What? You don't get the reference? The One Piece is real meme? You don't get the reference? Nope. Well, you're such a party poopa. Me? Why me? You started all this by saying, the blizzard is real! 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 What is this? Funny! Shut up, Mighty! You don't understand comedy or funny. Well, you know what? Sorry. But I forgive you. Well, guys, now the blizzard is starting, we should get some food. Oh yeah, right, the food. I'll be right back. Alright, some eggs. And I need to poop emoji. Seriously, a poop emoji? Why? I don't know. But it tastes like chocolate though. What? Chocolate? Why? Well, it's all because for funny. Well, looks like I'm gonna eat this anyway. Nom 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 nom. Really? Do you really have to eat that poop emoji? That's disgusting. Well, I don't care. Nom 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 nom. Dang, you're such a weirdo. I can't stand it. Well, what should we do, Sonic? We can't just sit here being bored all night. Huh? I don't know. Pick anything. It's not my business. It's your... everyone else's business. I don't know. But I hope my power doesn't go out. Yeah, me too. I mean, who knows? Maybe the power could go out. I mean, I'm not a predictor though. Me either, guys. I don't know. Maybe we should play some board games? Yeah, that sounds like a great idea, Mighty. How about you guys? Well, I'm liking to watch a movie. No. Wait, what did you say? Well, just pick anything you want, Knuckles. I don't know. Maybe read comic books? Not a bad choice. Alright, maybe we should do something else like those. When we were bored. Yeah, I totally agree there, Sonic. Alright, let's just do some stuff like watching movies, reading comic books, and play some board games.
Okay.
Man, what a perfect night to do something when we are bored because of this blizzard that has been going on. Yeah, I don't agree there, Sonic. Yeah, I just hope that this blizzard will be over soon. Yeah, so I could do something when I want outside. Yippee! Ooh! Boris, you okay? Oh, I just accidentally hit my private part. Oh. Well, next time, try not to do that again, okay? Okay. Good. Well, for now, we should get some shut-eye until it's the morning. Yeah, I agree there, Sonic. Yeah, I agree. Ruh, 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 ruh. Ooh, ooh, I knew that. Okay, but good night, guys. Oh wow, it's morning. Alright, I'll check the window. Alright, let's see what's new. Guys, wake up! Wake up! What is it, Sonic? I was trying to have a beautiful dream about me in Echidna Land. You are weird. But anyway, guys, the blizzard is finally over! The blizzard is finally over? That means I could. No. Not again. Not again. Okay. Good. The blizzard is finally over? Yep. Well, I should check the window. Yep, you're right. The blizzard is finally over. Yeah, which means that we can finally do something outside. Or we can go outside finally. Morning already? So, what's going on? Hey Mike, big news. The blizzard is finally over! Which means we can finally go outside or do something outside again? Yep. Woo! Yeah! No day! About that, we can't go outside yet. Why not? Because it's really cold outside. That makes sense, but yeah, I agree with you, Sonic. It's really cold outside. So, what should we do now? Oh, I know. Maybe we could make a gingerbread house. Yeah, that sounds like a great idea. Come on, guys. Let's make a gingerbread house. Well, okay then. Let's make a gingerbread house. Yeah!